Hello, I'm Stefan from Xstream Group here at the IBC 2022, that very moment together with Stef from Jetstream. Stef, could you please introduce us to Jetstream?
Yes, of course. My name is Stef and I'm the founder of Jetstream. I started streaming in 1994 and I founded a company to professionalize streaming, and that's what we still do.
And today, what is your product portfolio about?
It's pretty big. We built our new streaming cloud, so it's a European streaming cloud. So we're not running our video platform on third-party clouds. It's actually in Europe, hosted in Europe, owned in Europe. So one of the benefits is privacy and data protection, which is a hot topic now in Europe, to make sure that no data leaks out of the system, but also not leaks out of Europe. And that's what we guarantee.
And what are in general your products? What is the all-over servicing portfolio that you offer?
We are a streaming platform, so once your video is ready or you have a produced live stream, you have to stream it somewhere, and that's why we take it on. So it's about intake, transcoding, origin storage, multi-CDN, video player, security and analytics, and that's where we stop. So we don't build a website, we don't do the front end, we don't do the transactions if you need them. We do the entire process from having the video and streaming it out there.
What do you see as the trending topics in this year for the streaming industry?
Well, first of all, data protection is very hot in Germany, but also in the Netherlands. Tenders are being stopped because US involvement of clouds. They cannot help it, but it's the American law that, demands access to data, which is a serious issue in Europe. So that's a hot topic. The other one is green energy. So streaming, of course, it's overtaking broadcasting. More people watch streams today than they watch television, and streaming costs a lot of energy. It's not always as efficient as traditional broadcasting because you have to send every viewer an individual stream, which is great for on-demand, but for live, not efficient. So energy consumption and energy saving is very important. We have been taking a lot of measures to do that. We built our new cloud, and it's powered by green energy, so it's 100% green. So we don't have to pledge or promise it's today, but also we did a lot of extra efforts in minimizing the footprint. We do that by monitoring the popularity of every video and stream, and if it goes viral, instantly extra capacity is scaled up, but also scaled down. So the footprint is dramatically reduced, saving a lot of energy.
So, and what are the news that you brought with to us here at the show at the IBC? What is brand new from Jetstream?
What is brand new? First of all, the cloud is brand new. We also have won an award for the Jetstream Mix, which you can see in the background, which is a modular system to build very advanced streaming complex workflows in a matter of minutes in just clicking in an interface or using the API to automate it. So, if you want to start streaming and you have a large ambition, you could try and build everything on like media services with clouds, but it will take you 4 months or 4 years with a large team to build it, and it takes a lot of time and money. And the chances that it goes wrong are pretty high. The alternative is that you go to a video platform, and you can upload a video, set up a stream, get a player and get analytics, and that's easy. But then you lose control over all those details under the hood, which you may want to tune and optimize. And with Jetstream you have 3 levels: easy, smart, expert. So at every step in the process you can do it easy, so I don't care, just don't want to think about it, just do it. Or I want to tune and tweak it and optimize it for my use case. Or I replace it with my own, and that's what you can do. And we won an award for this because it saves tremendous time, tremendous cost, but you can still build advanced workflows as you can with the media services. And we also added some new cool features. One of them is on air, which is a live encoder in your browser. If you want to start streaming, live streaming, you have to either buy a hardware encoder or install a software encoder, and then create a publishing point on a streaming platform, and then copy the data, put it into the encoder, tune the encoder. You have to know everything about H.264, keyframes, HLS, and RTMP. But that's hard. That's not easy. And we thought, okay, how can we make this really easy and create all kinds of new use cases? So we built On Air. It's a one-click streaming straight from your browser. You just open up the browser, you click broadcast, and you're on air at 4K quality. And the use cases that it supports, or that it opens up, is like, let's say, e-learning. Mm-hmm. So let's say you want to build a learning platform and either let users log in or pay for the service. you don't want the teachers to install hardware or software and just that you can start click and start broadcasting like that right away. So that's pretty cool. We also see benefits for gaming. You can now build native streaming into gaming applications. So as a gaming service provider, you can now let the gamers stream natively from the game instead of that they have to install separate software and use a separate service. So that means that as a gaming platform, you can also say, don't stream to YouTube or Twitch, but stream on my platform. I'll just, with a single click, enable this for you. So those are pretty cool, some disruptive new use cases that we do. And we also have new statistics. So it's real-time statistics dashboards based on server-side logs instead of client-side tracking. It's better for privacy. It's more accurate. It's also real-time. It's a very gorgeous interface. Just you see all the most popular titles and all the core data you need is in there. It's really easy to use. So quite some news from Jetstream.
Thank you, Stef, for all these insights into Jetstream. And if you are interested in getting more details, please make your way to our website, x-dream-group.com. There you will find all the details. Thanks so much for watching.